Hello, good people. Welcome to Crawl into Wealth. This is G Boss, and today we are going to talk about FinToch. Again, as you all noticed, yesterday I did drop FinToch into their channel as one of our newest projects that we are undertaking. Super excited for this project. Have been following it for a while. Just decided over the weekend to get involved into it, and I am loving it. Good people, when I say I'm loving it, I know what I'm talking about. This is a project that is geared towards lending in the DeFi space, the decentralized space, is peer-to-peer. Before we get deeper into that, please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before you get involved into any of these projects that I share on my channel, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Do not invest your rent, car notes, mortgage, and most importantly, do not borrow money from any financial institution such as a bank, family members, or friends. And folks, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. If you like the content I provide, share it and comment as well. Folks, FinToch right now is one of the hottest projects that I love. Thus far, it strictly involves lending your money out to other people who are on the platform, and they are serving as borrowers. They will borrow your money and use it into any other projects that they are involved in. So this is strictly a financial investment, good people, and this is something that we all are looking for. Enjoy your finances as you move forward. So as you can see, FinToch provide diversified financial services, with its main business being borrowing, investing, and financing. Right? This project is exclusively on the blockchain. Well, the security of this project is what I truly love. And again, folks, I've been in so many other projects, but I haven't seen any like this. When we talk about truly being decentralized, this is one of the project, or this is the only project I've seen thus far that speak in such language, meaning that there's no human interaction. Whenever you want to withdraw your money and you process it, you do not need anybody to approve it for it to hit wherever you are sending it, or which wallet or exchange that you are sending it to. The system, the technology of FinToch is so unique that it just sent your funds directly to the platform that you are sending it to. They have a hybrid technology, folks, and this is something super exciting that we all love, right? So this is their FinToch team members. Most of the person that you rarely see around is William Thompson. There's another flyer I saw that had CEO, COO to his name, but he is the one that is pretty much promoting the company. He's doing most of the traveling around the world for FinToch. So this is a serious operation that we so far seem to love very much. So as I mentioned, FinToch strictly involves us serving as investors, where we lend our money to this vault, to this wallet, and you have the borrowers who come in and they borrow the money from FinToch. So when they borrow the money, they pay 2% a day in interest. FinToch then takes 1% and pay us. So any amount that you put on this platform, good people, just know that you will be earning 1% a day. And your investment is only locked up for 7 days. Come on, folks. This is the first program that I've seen that your investment is locked up for 7 days. So after 7 days, you can withdraw. And you will only pay the 5% withdrawal fees on your profit and not your capital. That is huge, good people. So when these borrowers borrow money from FinToch, they have to pay a deposit, which is 50% of the amount that they are borrowing. So that secures your capital. So if somebody wants to borrow 10,000 USDT, they have to deposit 5,000 USDT. So the beautiful thing about it, FinToch has a cut loss stoppage, meaning that when they are losing money, because again, nothing is guaranteed, right? They're borrowing your money to go invest your money to make more money for themselves. And maybe what they are getting involved in may end up not being profitable. So FinToch has put in mechanism in place to cut the loss. So when it is coming down at 70% of the deposit, FinToch will stop all of the trading. So in that way, your money is still secure. Again, I hate to use this word for any platform that you have zero loss. So I would say, maybe to be honest with everybody listening, the chances of you losing just by being this project, FinToch, is very slim. It's very, very slim, folks, because again, this is investing and losses do occur. So, that's the beautiful thing I like about it. You have to have your own, your key. We deal with FinToch, with the wallets, right? You have to have your personal key for security reason. And when you sign up for your wallet, you have to save your keys, because that is how you are protected, or that is how you are able to retrieve your wallet whenever you misplace it or lose it or anything like that. You can use your personal key to retrieve it. Good thing about FinToch, this company has been audited. From what I've heard thus far, it has been audited twice by Celtic. Celtic is one of the leading auditor within the crypto space. The first time they were audited, they scored 91%, and that is huge for this space. They were audited again, and their score dropped to 89%. And the reason being because Celtic included 2 additional measures that the company has to actually be, they have to like make up for, right? So with these 2 measures, the company is working towards meeting it. So that is something very, very huge, good people. And I think FinToch is a good program to be a part of. Is a peer-to-peer lending, which means that we are the lender. If you come in as an investor, you have people on the platform who wants to borrow your money. And every time you borrow your money, you're going to earn 1% a day on it. So that is huge. A good thing about this program when it comes to the security measure, it is very top-notch. Good people. I'm telling you, top-notch from what I've read about this platform. So you have to rest assured that your funds are secure on this platform from hackers. And the reason is because FinToch hosted a hackathon on October 28, 2022. The company hosted a hackathon, meaning that they brought hackers from all over the world, right? Sat them down for them to test the system and see if they could break into the security network of FinToch. They were unable to do it. So they did receive a certificate for that. And that is huge, folks, because you want to be with a company that you can rest assured that your funds will not be hacked, because there's a DeFi space. There's a DeFi space, and anything can happen within this space. So that is huge. And one of the things also that I like about this company is due to the fact that it is somehow, I'm using the word somehow, right? I know they are like based within the United States in California, but when it launched, it was like in the Asian market. So it's just coming to the Western world, which is the United States. It's coming back to us, and that's something I'm super excited about, because this company has been blazing trail in Asia, I believe, since 2019. So that is very, very huge, something to take into consideration. So if you go further, you know, there's other videos that I have within my Telegram group that I explain more detail about the entire project. And the video was done by Sassy of Cash Rich Society and Bitcoin Kojo. So again, if you want to watch that video, I'll have my Telegram link in the description below. Click on my link and you'll be able to join the group, my Telegram group, and you'll be able to watch this video, explain more about the entire blockchain, the technology behind FinToch. But one thing I do know, that this company intends to be around for a very long time. This is one of the few companies that I see thus far that I know without a doubt that it's going to be around for a while. This is a statement that I do not make lightly. I do not say with ease, because again, nothing is guaranteed within this space. But just look at the operation, look at the roadmap of FinToch, and just due to the fact that a Middle East royal family invested about $1 billion, over $1 billion into this project, gives me full assurance and relaxation with the guarantee that this project would be around for a while. So this is just almost like the equity share of this, of how this program looks right now. Investor, I mean, the pie chart of having all of the investment in it. All right, investor like 30%, the royal family about 18%, FinTuck 52%. Right. Another beautiful thing about this project, every time that you earn, you'll also be earning a portion of the FTH coin, which is the fintech coin. And this coin right now is valued around $62,500, right? So that is very, very huge, folks. You're getting a piece of the pie right here with this coin. So if you hold this coin, you continue to keep this coin for about a year, you are sitting pretty good, right? Good people, that is something very, very easy to understand and simple, right? FinToch right now, as you can see, got a subscriber about 10 million, and right now it's in about over 100 countries around the world. And this kind of growth is crazy and is understandable, meaning that it's just $100 to get involved in this program. With $100, folks, you in a developing nation, you in the Western world, a developed nation, this is something that is achievable for everyone. Everyone can participate in it because FinToch is accessible to everyone. That's how I see it in my own opinion. I understand that some folks in developing nation only make about $40 a month. But folks, to get $100, I think it's achievable if you are in a developing nation, because I'm speaking from true experience, because I was born and grew up in Liberia, West Africa. And I know very well that this program can benefit anyone in a developing nation. So folks, do not sleep on FinToch. This is a true decentralized platform. It's not one of those platforms that come up and say that they are decentralized, but in essence, they still have human interaction. This program is truly decentralized. So as you can see, FinToch right now, they have been launching in the Asian market, the Asian market, as I stated earlier, and now they're trying to move into the Western market, right? So this is something that is very huge. The company has events all around the world, and they are making headways. Good people, do not sleep on it. So again, if you are interested in becoming part of FinToch, I have my link in the description below. You can actually go ahead and join it. As you can see, the launch for the Asian market is still going on. They have dates just right here, right? That was an event that just took place recently, and it also made its way to Yahoo Finance, right? So if you look at this program right there in South Korea, Jeju definitely made headlines. It has been in so many crypto articles, and that is something very, very huge for this company. So again, folks, don't sleep on it. As you can see, FinToch launched public chain testing, Times Square, January 2nd, 2023. That is it. And right here, FinToch has had plans to put its IPO on the NASDAQ in 2025, but because the company has been growing so fast, they decided to move it to 2022. So they are not even going to wait for 2025 any longer. That is huge. The growth of FinToch has been astronomically amazing to a lot of people. So again, a lot of people, they are jumping on board to become part of FinToch. And I will encourage you, I will invite you to also do the same. If you need more information, you want to do more research, you want to connect with me, like I mentioned earlier, I will have my Telegram link in the description below, and you can definitely go there and we can chat from there. So again, if you are a builder and you have a huge network of people, FinToch will pay you as well. So on your first level, you will earn 15%. On your second level, you will also earn as well. Then as your team decide to grow, as more people start to come into your team, good people, you can start to achieve these different management ranks, and you start to receive incentives. So just for the GM, that's the goal for most people, including me, right? To have 50,000 USDT in my team, and with 5 direct referrals, that's going to qualify me to achieve this rank, and that is what I'm shooting for right now. So if you are a builder, you have a huge network, I would say come on board. It's just $100. You can come and test it out, and if you like it, you're going to add more. That is exactly what I'm thinking about doing. Right, I came in just with a little amount, as you know, growing to wealth, always coming in, testing it out with little, but it's a sizable amount that I think that I can afford. And I'm going to add more to this account, because I'm loving what I've seen thus far. And it just been about 2 or 3 days now for me, and I'm loving it. So I'm going to add more funds to this platform. So a lot of incentives for just referring other people to this platform, good people. So with that, I would just like to just tell you thank you for taking your time to watch this summary of FinToch. And again, if you want to get a full understanding, I have a detailed presentation in my Telegram group. I will encourage you to go ahead and just click on the link and join my Telegram. And folks, this is a program. It's not a sleeping beast. This is DeFi. This is truly a DeFi project. I haven't seen any project like this, and I will encourage you to definitely come on board, and let's all of us crawl into wealth together, that eventually we can blast into wealth. So with that, remember, you are the architect of your own financial future. Do not allow anyone to tell you how to crawl into wealth. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. And this is FinToch. Peace.